Hi guys, welcome to another episode of the Black House Diaries. Namsindina Maginya. Amar na mwazi. Unaziona zinakotiva. Udoni explain it. Udoni explain it. Anyways, we haven't shot in a while. It feels so, I don't know, hey?
Yo, it's been a minute. Yeah. Now I'm sure na parking. I had the Zoro Paganga guys.
Also, younger bike with the space you right. We're chilling, we're cruising. Anyways, how are you? It's been a while.
I'm good. Yeah, I'm just exhausted.
What were you doing in Durban?
Well, my team members says Panda Studios full-time staff, they said they want to go and swim for a day in Durban.
But you know where you was on depot.
We ended up staying for 2 days.
When I was waiting for you, you were swimming. Don't know me.
Rako peta zindaira shi ntuni lwanjini ndione petune otamba maybe rono tamba zinya marcha do phone.
Funny enough, I went to Durban this year and I see a beach. I didn't go to the beach.
Where were you?
I have a problem with the beach. Like I was in Cape Town in December. I didn't go to the beach.
What were you doing in Durban?
I do Roy.
Okay.
But
okay.
I don't wanna go there now.
It's too early. Too soon. So I don't know. And plus you didn't go to Venda Easter, so you needed a break. Yeah, I needed a break.
Why is it weird?
I hate the traffic. Into traffic. I think for the past 10 years, I've been stuck in that traffic.
Thursday, like Wednesday, Thursday, Mudau.
That's what I do. Around the beach at that traffic. But now I was working on Wednesday, so I couldn't have traveled.
We had the time of our life.
Ritoma guy Venda.
Yo, guys, Venda is a movie.
Uronga hei anga feel weird Venda ene muneti abanga doba mubamba. Uko defense.
Yo, cause I got there on Thursday. What did I do on Thursday?
Yeah.
Thursday I went to Alice. Oh, the Alice.
Alice in
Log G. You haven't been home in forever, ne?
Like
kana aya ni washona tanga chishuru.
No, ndiya yani nataizo ri ndipedza chipinga chinjindangi madakani.
Don't do that. You can't do that.
Yo.
You are in the media space. You need to come with the people who are. Because uvavo kodori ukwita first Sundays. The first
Friday.
First Friday.
Yeah.
We need to come. Mara ene do you get what I'm saying?
Ish.
So you need to come through. So Thursday I did Alice. I think Ryan or Matu. Friday, I woke up, I went and did my hair. I was preparing for the All Black.
Yeah. All
Black was, Jesus Christ. A movie. I didn't it was just like All Black. Okay, obviously not the same vibe because you're in there.
Yeah.
But it was so good. Like, the kwambazo we are 7-8.
7-8 ya machoroni.
Yeah. Plus, nendo yo tumanda pakana zosip and paint. But still, the party was on. Like, ndo siya ziko ish.
Zabazi go wa.
I
Wi-Fi each farwa yo loudspeaker.
I don't know it is. Hello. Hello. Ndiko shooter. Can I go back? Yeah.
Kingsley really loudspeaker.
Kabwe ish odorjuisa man. I'll call you. Oh boy, you.
Don't is the client. Okay.
No. So that was Friday. And All Black, it was the whole night.
Yeah.
7-8. Just had to rest a bit. By 11, I got to paint and prepare. Sunday, what did we do? Okay, we did like a boat cruise. But there was just something. I mean, Sunday, I won a gastronomy. And what else?
Snap.
No, I don't think Snap is still there.
Hey.
Have you seen it?
Well, I've never seen it for a while. Like, what happened?
Do you think gastro happened?
Well, I think gastro yoba burayantu if you mean racha blomanati. I think
was it the
gastro,
same experience though?
Well, same venue, but anyways.
Yeah. Same venue, matter vibe.
Yeah. Experience as chiti.
Hey.
So I think gastro maybe yoba more direct to
what the people want.
Yeah. So. You obviously you're gonna impact on both Blomanati and Snap.
Snap which is guy. Snap which is okay, I remember December I remember it was 14 doya gastro. Did you forget gastro under the snap? How that are all there?
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
In my head, I'm like, okay, sharp, this is gonna go well.
I think with time, we could those re-attend eventing when I like cults. Like we have this one in Yavanaba Tubai, this one in Yavanaba Tubai. I think we are no eyes or rather event ya so ndiabonyi. Look at how we do it na Kingsley Black Couch NDA function.
True.
And then also in first Friday. We attend that one, we go to another one.
Yeah.
I think in future we might just organize it. Hey, gastronomy on this date, whatever Blomana so that Ribena support Munamua kono support you because I think people think or pie is too small for everyone to share.
But I think it always works out if rena culture. For example, I've noticed this with Venda.
Yeah.
Business club Punda Maria, right?
Yes.
So I know Dar es Salaam takes Fridays.
Yes.
News Cafe takes Saturdays. Sunday in the war, gastro mini. So I feel like that was going well.
Yes.
You know, I don't know what Bureru does, but okay, I don't go buka a certain artist nelanga duba on Friday.
Yeah.
I feel like that would work out.
Yeah.
Do you understand? Next thing in the one book it, and I think there was a time when I buka Questa or Bukwana Dar es Salaam or something. Alice, Dar es Salaam, Alice, one of the two. You know, any weekend, and I'm like,
yeah.
How are we supposed to divide now?
That.
And
so now did you writing like performance now
no, also there's no way you're gonna do that.
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
And then market wa beyond mutindi punda Maria yote. Mutu wa Chisauru uwa kono ya jaiva Dar es Salaam.
Yes.
Mutu wa blog jiwa kono ya jaiva buri.
Yeah.
It's the same thing. It's the same market. I think maybe the greed.
Well, yeah. But I know of some clubs zine on the same day in where fiko value, then you all know that uchivaruwa he ukovuriwa he uchivaruwa he havuriwa he. So I've been grooving in Western Cape, Kailija.
Groovist.
So you would go to Kwa Ace, right? You first figure una Kwa Ace, una parking, but I think in the clubs amtumti or they are together. So nichi yaka Tom, then they will close it by varanga 10. 10 o'clock closed, like ngosia maharo, I need vina haro. Then udobo kuvura Kwa Ace.
Okay.
Then Kwa Ace is like a club vibe nyana. When you enter there, you buy a bottle, whatever.
Yeah.
Then you get a table, and then from there, ichi varanga 1 or 2, I think. Then you go to parking. Parking is like an open space where you're just finishing your alcohol.
Finishing your booze.
Yeah.
That's a good one as well. I feel like Robert Rinayo Venda because Migironi would close.
Yeah.
You are MMS.
Yes.
You know?
And I think
that was the culture.
Also, na vibe is different. So when you come from Kayo Tom, it will be people performing, having fun, and it's outdoor. Then when you go to the other one, quite it's in the indoor, like it's a club vibe, DJs playing.
And then did you ever go to Migeroni?
No, passing by. Yeah, at T2Gen. Oh, by the time
you go to Dumbura, non-alcoholic, the red squares are 6. You just go in and go to 10 minutes.
So it's here. It's all here. It's all in the mind.
No, then they got the sugar.
Oh,
it's crazy. You never seen with 6 here Coke.
Yo.
Yeah. Do you get it? I remember I wanted to take a shower. I was shaking, and I think my grandmother thought I was drunk. And I'm like, girl, I don't drink. Okay. But then so I remember that time. So it would be nice if they could do that. But unfortunately, when I'm with the
one as well, yeah, that's.
And they also. But when I'm season, we never thought Migironi would die. Never.
And
like, I think Migironi was an artist. Kabza what for who? How much we go to Rocky Waga local? But you were there, and it was nice, and we would all go there. We never thought it would die.
Yeah.
I guess people would say the same thing about La Paloma. They would say the same thing about
Night Riders.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I guess maybe just we don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe they're gonna make a huge comeback. Although I feel like Vanga Kondera Udova we are in the next few months, they still have the markets. The problem is if they prolong.
Yes. Like
artist, release we're gonna forget about you.
Yeah.
But anyways, Rambanga Easter ya Venda, guys. It was nice. And thank you so much to everyone that came to Sip and Paint, guys. Yo, guys.
And then we didn't expand on gastronomy. What happened?
Oh, Gastro. No, screenshot. Okay. No, yes, what happened at Gastro?
Yeah. So generator, alcohol,
Apparently someone pulled the plug, generator. We did or so generator in the fridge.
I think they're Zika because the way they're Zika, then meaning that everything is chai.
So what do you think about it? How do you feel about that?
Well, I because I'm talking from the outside and having known our aunt. Our aunt, okay, I feel like our aunt sometimes and we can't blame her at some point because maybe of the experience of Nacho from the past.
Yeah.
So I think sometimes achi is it ubakoreri no one is gonna eat. If I'm not part of this cake, no one is having it. So I think was and then Kaborine Bandrabona Sunga professional I were like, okay, no, whatever that you're doing, it's unprofessional. But it goes yamba and there goes yamba come to unazi traumas yes.
Also, my other thing is we do not know what the agreement was. Because they hosted Gastro. Nenga one when it comes to the agreement was they were food ticket sales or food and now I'm another young go start Vasongola. Do you understand? Because it's such a huge event. So that is where we are not clear. I wonder where we can get Gastro because I'm thinking I'll text her and then move if she does respond. Let me ask her Rubani.
Yeah, because Gastro, this one, it's phone, eh? Yeah, we would have shot it rather than go shoot a video. Maybe we would have much information from from what happened, what transpired. But we were not available to do it. After the call, after
you guys were supposed to shoot at Gastro.
Hey.
So Nastaiti song Antania Mizo.
No, after Rono amba ono phone now amba izlazo zone then like college welfare it was like okay you do this you produce this and then how about we have an event yeah so
they regarding like shooting there I don't know exactly what you shoot and shoot the experience you're there.
Yes, everything like so
and I think it was interviews because Veletina equipment I don't know I don't know which I put a conversation but anyway so okay guys maginyo phone one guys no
I thought we brush on top and then pass
guys no you can't do this but Mizo can't do this to us.
Yeah,
Mara, you know what? One thing that hurts me, Nduri, you guys love pinpointing. Or no, abarifuni. When we started, when we were sitting on my couch, album ya muzo ndiko yumbra ichi vayeva ina rufuno rawe, the one that has chief of charge.
Yeah.
It was when we started.
Yes.
We analyzed it song by song. We were doing it because we love the music.
Yeah.
You do one wrong thing, we report on it. Now we are the bad people. How does it work in Venda?
Like I think you just have to keep on praising even when you
guys.
So honest opinion is not welcome.
We don't.
You see?
It's entertainment.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, we cannot sit on this couch. We're here to talk about entertainment. And we also keep you guys posted. Now we're talking about it. Now you're going to want to go.
And there's no such thing as bad publicity. When we talk about they are falling in love with that person because of what we are talking
because
about.
Of what
yes, we hate that person and we don't. We are just reporting without taking sides or fear or favor.
I don't understand because Mizo Romo guys. Okay, thank you.
But I felt like we were taking a fall yeah, Kingsley at some point. Like, you know, because I think he didn't want to go through Uyaka Kingsley straight. Because I kept on saying, no, I can give you the number. I can put that guy on a conference call. I was like, no, I'm like, no.
Kingsley, why?
Like, you know. Well, a
Mizo
lot was
called
said.
Maginya and he said, Mizo phone ya Maginya mbuzola social shoot na rine, guys.
Thank you for watching this episode. It is proudly brought to you by MR21 Funerals and Insurance. If you want to know more about their funeral plans and all the insurance that they have, make sure you contact them on 015-151-0251 or 0252. Or you can contact them on their WhatsApp number, which is 061-509-0775 or www.mr21.co.za. MR21, true respect.
So blackout here got your phone working your phone.
No, not really. Like it was, I would say, manipulation, right? Yori, why in got ended about to say equipment here, no na studio channel, no shooter, so. My simple example was like when McG talks about something, do they go to Mashavela to say, Mashavela, cut this guy off?
Because
that guy's doing business. Yeah. That guy's doing business. So whatever happens, we don't care. They don't care. They will attack McG. So that's why I was like, let me put Kingsley on conference call, or you know, I can give you his number. You can call him. So that you direct it. I'm a technical director.
Yeah.
I work behind the scenes.
You work behind the scenes.
I don't care whatever. I don't even know the prep.
Yeah, you don't.
Like you guys.
That's if Renayo.
Yeah. So you're freestyling sometimes.
Yeah.
You understand? Like today.
Basically. So I think the whole idea was for him to corner you, but which is wrong still. We respect Mizo so much for him to try. Imagine kare ene obo manipulate here. Come on, we're just kids, man. We're just kids trying to eat. Like, so now if Maginya Village studio, Rio Shutera guy, Badani, Rio Shutera and Tasofa, Rumedesofa and Langa.
Yeah.
So you are making your bread. You've got gastro going on. You've got your albums. Your music is doing so well. Why Rine got your Jiro Roto? As a Fulandi Rine.
So we mustn't talk about it.
And the problem is the same people who are not going to about them. Guys, we don't know where anyone lives.
Yeah.
Whatever we talk about is what's there. We don't do breaking news.
Yeah.
We've never came with breaking news. We read posts. We talk about things that are uploaded already. So now you want to come on.
Yeah. No, and I feel like this thing, and at some point I wanted to say, no, we can give you a right of reply. Like, because if you're feeling, because now you are talking, what I felt at Kwamba is like, you and Kingsley is like, there's a beef that I don't know, but I now like being tried to, like, no, I'm there at generator. That's why he kept on running. Kingsley, let me put Kingsley on a conference call. Let me give you his number. He kept on running from that. I was like, okay, now I'm not gonna do that.
No,
like,
you know what, guys, we're not gonna stop doing this. I don't care what happens. Because Zonzo wrote what he wrote about me, I'm gonna stop.
What did he write?
He wrote nonsense about me. And okay, my issue, I didn't mind when you wrote Nico Ring said about the podcast is not gonna work. How do you expect it to work? It's working either way. Doesn't matter what I'm selling. If you've bought, bring a receipt. But although but guys, like now I'm gonna be very serious. It was okay when I saw the post and whatever. And when I follow him, I follow Zonzo. I think okay, no send it, but I saw it. When I saw it, and I went on the comments, I expected people to come say, yeah, come on, we've all dated. If it doesn't work out, I move to the next person. Yeah. Nobody's going to make me feel bad about my dating life. Nobody's going to make me feel bad about my type.
Yeah.
I've got a type. I've got a standard because I also have a standard. I'm not, I took over a standard and I'm trying to escape poverty. I tried to escape and get education. I graduated. I have a job. So I'm not going to now work for everything I have and still go be with somebody that's not. Come on.
Yeah.
And I don't think he should make me feel bad for that, because it means he doesn't date cheap women. He doesn't date cheap women.
Simple.
Have you seen Motendi? Have you seen Alicia? So if I'm selling, you're selling too. Riafana, ene urengisa queen. Ene urengisa queen, wa kongo bana suzo fare. Nene ka dzula ndunia makulu.
Obana mini.
And also, like, that is the one thing that made me mad when I saw those ones are already were voting, but they're not doing anything with their lives. They couldn't wait to attack me.
Yeah.
And it hurts when they started talking about my mom, my grandparents. Guys, I lost my grandparents. You can't. Like, what the actual fuck, dude?
I think.
Somebody said, Nduyanu ipiraya kutia ya Ghana. Ngamtu has no passport. You guys don't even have a passport. You're talking about Ghana. Nobody knows my dad.
Yeah.
And nobody knows. I saw stories that I've never heard before. And I'm like, if you want to fight me, come fight me. It's fine. Don't come from my family.
Yeah.
Especially my grandparents. Remember, even when I came, 2024, when I lost my granddad, I told Tang, I'm like, can we not talk about it? Because it's too... That guy is basically my dad. So when you come and now you are saying, yeah, even it's a gay guy. What do you...
That's brutality of social media. But they try to go.
They try to go lower,
yeah.
right? And the problem is nobody heard what I said. Nobody wanted to listen to what I said. He also didn't listen. No, but not as he portrays. Do you understand?
Yeah.
And it's very unfair for you to portray a certain lifestyle. Like the other day, they posted a video, bako tepa 150,000 at Iowa or whatever.
Yeah,
and I'm like,
okay. On that one, the other guy posted okay.
And if you are going to show us that content when we comment about it in Akwata, you've always portrayed money. And that guy, I'd never talk about Zonzo's kids. I've seen him post them. I would never say shit about them. I think that is my grandmother's house, dude. And then somebody came and said, oh yeah, as if she didn't grow up poor. Every single thing that you guys are saying, you heard it from me. I said it here on this couch. I always used to say, my grandmom used to make poverty look so fancy. Because she used to know how to do it. She would take the smallest things and make it look amazing.
Yeah.
You guys heard it from me. There's no new information. On a fake account. There was another person named Ranzu Aria. She grew up, car 4-room. That's actually a very big house, by the way.
Yeah.
You can't tell me about a 4-room. And I'm like, you guys are so grown up for that. So if you're going to portray money when we comment about it, paper bag. So we are an entertainment platform. We are going to talk about every single public figure, unless you don't count yourself as a public figure.
The fact that you bring it in public yourself, then people are entitled to comment about it.
And then he said, I laughed. I told Fistos, I'm like, oh yeah, he's a graduate, we should translate. And it's very low because nobody is saying anything about the life I have now. Everyone is saying
about the past.
Okay, then I studied.
Then you want to like, should I?
No, I love talking about it because it inspires a lot of kids. I know people said, okay, maybe they can't make it. And also, guys, Nipsey Wananga was not poverty, guys. I don't think I was poor. I don't think. Guys, that was not poverty. Yeah. Unless I don't know what poverty looks like, but I never thought I was poor.
I think as
a kid. I feel like my parents gave me every single thing. So I want him to come fight me personally.
Yeah.
I want him to look me straight in the eye and say, yeah, then no failure. If I'm about to turn 13, ati show me, ati ready, ati na qualification, that's fine.
Yeah.
But don't come from my parents. I see you post your parents too. I won't say shit about them. Because it's disrespectful. I was not raised like that. And also, he's going live. Guys, I was not raised like that. So you can't now come fight me. Baby banga. That's such a low blow. And the umurwane, he's got kids. You've got parents too. And if you go have a baby, let's not do it. I think come with whatever, you know. Come with your ring, it's fine. I'm comfortable with that. Cut the nazozo, they bring everything out. I'm cool with selling. I'm okay. Just don't touch my parents. Don't come for my family. Because I'm not trying to come for yours. And my parents come from Chakuma. I literally know where he comes from. My uncles were calling me, do you want us to deal with this boy? I'm like, no. Why? Do you want us to call him? Because I'm sure Kai and the man, he doesn't even know they're my uncles because he doesn't know me.
Yeah.
How do you even know? So anyways, guys, I'm going to close it off like that. They couldn't wait. I saw people sharing, you know. I saw even Venda artist, and I'm like, okay, now people are fighting the podcast through us, you know, through the whole thing that's happening. But then, guys, anyway, Zonzo. But anyway, if he wants to fight me again, I'm ready for a fight. And then he can say whatever. 068 061 5567. Nikarisi na mabuds. I saw raw hair. Nito na uma 10,000. Not Dragon City hair. Are any serious? Nikarisi zote na mabuds.
Ako rings so cheap.
No. So exactly. Exactly my point. So let's move on to other stuff. I think we should speak about this. What's this? The GYAD reaction. How do you pronounce it? Is it
the GYAD?
The GYAD reaction. Where were you when you heard of it?
I was home. I was home. Yeah, still in bed. Wait, it was
you
late.
heard it in the morning?
No, in the evening. Sorry. Yeah, so in the evening when I was getting home.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay, this is not true, right? Because ndakuvona video yamsiyako comment ngamin ngazo icho gastro. I think I think we ita video yamsiyako comment ngazo gastro. Then I was like, no, it can't be true. Like you know people peddle fake news, right? I'm like, okay, I know this fake news. But as time goes, I'm like, okay, I'm receiving this. Everyone, Venda, post. I'm like, no, this is actually true. And I was sad because I love the guy. The guy is brutally honest.
That guy used to say it now. Exactly. The guy used to talk about everybody and nobody could tell him nothing. I remember because the comment people would call him a hater, they'll call him he stood on his word. He had a backbone. I don't think I even have the backbone that he has.
Yes.
That guy had a backbone.
Follow up and then you did this, you did that. So I think we needed his voice more than ever in Venda. Bring a value into the industry as well. And it was usually very like constructive criticism because it used to land. Yes.
Do you get it?
Yeah. Which one? Akwamba ngauri Mudau na driver na road kid wimbo rwanyikana pamu sa.
I didn't even know about that. So you see information you know about the GYAD ngor argai wani pa podcast in Chile. Muna mukuita zwo una ndiburamba uko dita the story time. Like he had his own niche and it was working.
Yeah. The diversity, like una batu bane badotebera hoiba but we must make sure that whoever follows you bawana information in wana kind now control already you market we speak more about artists so there's around the artists so we must speak about that and you know
that was very sad because I remember before I was in the bathtub Sinete opposed to my friend, guys. So I didn't think of the guy. I thought of somebody else. I mean, opposed to you think of a girl, right?
Yeah.
You're just like, I'm like, there are 12 of us. You know how it is on Facebook.
Yes.
The minute I went in again, I'm like, what? I didn't see it coming.
Yeah.
I know we never see any death coming, but I was like, yo, I don't know. No, they're going to be there for a while. You know,
like
the voice, his voice, it sounded like
the courage
he's
that
still
like,
pushing this, is still gonna go far and all that. So yeah, man, condolences to the family. I saw people were now posting Goroi Umutura. I don't think that's true. I don't know.
You know, people want to trend. No todo dita when they you know, Facebook, you can change a post, you can upload and change a post in the past and then have a date but on an update. I think Facebook should change that. When you update a post, it should put a present date to it, update, because people were going back editing a post story. What has April? I'm like, you know, we're too smart for this. It's an edited post.
Like conscious yanu guy. When you write something like that about Mutu, it's disgusting, man.
Social media
want to trend so much.
And Facebook, so I think.
And I saw some of the people are Korea. Why are you guys using the death as like for the likes? You didn't even post him akadichira. That's a thing in a ringas there's any public figure.
Yeah.
We don't know who to post about Tupac. You don't know him. Achilova no post that. Michael Jackson Achilova post or Brenda Vance Achilova post you. Unfortunately, if somebody is a public figure, everybody is allowed to mourn them. Allow people to mourn them because you don't know the impact they have in their lives. I've been watching that nigga for 5 years now. I'm into the affect here. So I'm not gonna get hurt. So there are people all I'm to views inji. So imagine 5,000 people, 10,000 people. And now we are being told not to mourn him. Why?
Yeah. So because like videos out, but you didn't find me sharing his videos, right?
Yeah.
But that's chibana impact because he kept me updated. I would know, okay, you this is so come zika ukiti so nane impacted. So now mbona ndo post story yo ndo like ufini uyuchwane
Orobao. The bicycle, not the Ula bicycle. No.
Or you Kobrizi. So Kobrizi.
You did say
like unabatu bane babana impact churoni aune, and then you're like, okay, sure, but I won't even post the person. But with Kobrizi, I was like, yo.
Also, Jivakori to I remember with AK, yes, it hit and all that, but I remember when Ricky died.
Yeah.
And for me, what made it worse was because of suicide. And I have a friend that died in a suicide. Like, just got to wait like 2 years before that whole thing happened. Ish, tanga.
I will call out speaker. You know?
Sure.
Hey.
I'm banned fast. Go shoot. Guys.
Ngamiri. Can you know managers finance za Chicago?
No baudza vaturi Mizo ni fonera.
Ndomuzoka rotamba recording kwani.
Uri chill.
Mara onwamba upi indini manager wa Chicago changa ngamagi.
Itani zomweleka.
Siyamozo charo deko jena ngaunji.
That's why you could decide hustle your mouth. Okay, so the winner will be by random selection following the 30-word count and location rule. Oyu ori upi una rine Mudau. Hi, I'm a student at NTC ndigai. NTC FET Northern College. Doesn't matter, my love. Doesn't matter, Urujena guys. Doing civil engineering, and this grocery giveaway will help me a lot, especially currently as I'm starting my year. That's a sweet and short. Yeah. It's simple. Hangoti yo rezipera re nduruko bailo fema.
Ndurundo aruwa kaforumu.
Nduruwa kaforumu mianga baita mimi. Beole adoreza mianga. Anyways, so ufi una rine, I think we are. Would you send us the contact? Would you send? Yeah, I think you should send us a DM. Una rine Mudau. It's at Una rine Mudau KK. Congratulations, my love. Uko doa na grocery. Uko doa mama this month. I'm trying to do mufara.
Uko mama rich.
Congratulations. So, what were we still talking about? We're still talking about the
death.
Urana with Rick. Nezombai some more because Dandy could have experienced suicide. Yamganwanga very recently, like. That's not 2 years, 3 years. So you can't now teach me how to mourn because you don't know what it does to me. Una muntu ane the gyada ngaba undotangana na iruti umwepe to snap Sunday, and then the person was very nice to her, and you just have that person at the back of your mind, and they're allowed to mourn too, guys. We can't now gatekeep mourning.
Yes.
Ningas gatekeep
You can't.
Cry your cries alone, and then
It's just
let
that
everybody else cry the way they want to cry.
It's just that, but obviously, I trend with somebody's death. Yeah, they will be uploading.
And then there's a song. What do you feel about the song?
This-
Barimbo.
I think we'll
Domsendera.
Yeah,
There's a song. Nazvezo ndikupfunga iri ungadifi bathu vakonamira trend ti but okay huna avala vadzi poet vane zvino vavotohiriwa uri vaambe rufuni. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Avala vava vasongoinamira because he's a poet, he's going to make a poem about mutoro bao then he planning 3-4 days mutu ulungwa in 5 days 6 days. So warimbo ayaru record zviitani also it's gonna make the whole thing memorable. Ningaona na memory ala they're gonna use it. I think guys allow people to mourn the way they want to mourn as long as vasako insult mufu vasako involve baby vasako zvipa. If they're gonna go out there but this guy was a very good person and you know we anamubona ka comment yawo yako musema lini comes ako joke. I don't know.
Or bonofarelana
ani ube ka DM zawe
ndibathu bangana bonorwaho like ndikwamba
I don't know why sana bathu podcast is there listen about guys. Let's move on. But anyways, RIP man. That's very sad. And then there's Kero and Makazi. What happened there? Do you think it's a publicity stunt? Just Kero and Makazi.
Well, as go back Anthony, kauri o ulani ofindien o visa wala mapungo ao swipe chere.
Didn't you also visa mapungo?
Aseno fio o Skero aseno fio o
Kwambori it was a lie.
But
then what does that have to do with Makazi then?
Then ukwata kwa olani uri
through.
Yeah, don't you think as connect?
Although I think Makazi is too big to be part of those.
Yeah.
I think she's too big because of that.
Yeah.
It's either it's true or it's a stunt.
Yeah. It might be a stunt because we know people was stunt. Unga divana album yuri
booking yani kombukera.
So we know. You see zakonda umuthemba ngori we know chikona chimwe chine this actually this a wave or something idana stand chine chatoma chapuliwa then you feel sorry for her and then all of the sudden boom ono chincha it's all about trend.
You know what? I think I really need it. Let's give it some time. Maybe
then we know
it was just a stunt. Mutu win a romo ambati. And then there's I wanted to talk about the Colbert Mukwebo concert. I bet I know was you.
Don't see. So
you're just never anywhere.
Yo. Hey.
You're just never anywhere.
Reality, you know, uba technical, ne? Ndidzora ndiko stressa nga ayeni bachiria ndidzora ngo stressa nga magwanja I'm not
gwanja.
Yeah, so I'm like that
like
yeah, you know, so yeah, I think ndiko to step back in that side on these things because
I don't think you can.
I don't ndisako ita zwa camera ndiko develop as a software ndiko ita mean so
I wanted to ask and your thing your qualification diabo tangari
industrial engineering,
but you do more of the tech side. Yeah, is it because you prefer that? Why did you study that then? Why hasn't it done tech fully?
Well, I didn't study that by choice. I studied that by circumstances. So I was doing mechanical engineering. It was not going well. It was hitting so hard. Then I just branched from my second year, then get into third year, industrial, because first year and second year, like this same thing. So you're doing, it's a school of MIA. Then I branched and then started industrial. Because already, this passion young, I have video production and photography and stuff. So I was like, okay, cool, let me do this instead of, And industrial engineering, you can run a business, you can do anything with a industrial engineering qualification because
Yeah,
it's
you
all about
basically can do
optimization,
anything.
systems integration. So basically what I do here at Panda Studios, I integrate systems, making sure that
Everything aligns.
You see the case that we record, not only building, designing it from the scratch, fabricating it,
lie.
like grinding and
That's some
cutting and
hectic
doing
stuff. Umuntu ozwana ama-genius orowi. Urisemisisa rozwana ama-genius. Rosemiwapa rozwana ama-genius. But that's actually quite great. So do you think your parents were comfortable with you switching?
Well,
Your mom.
Now
Let me
you
not
know
say
my
parents.
you know my interview, young.
Let me not say parents.
Yeah.
Your mom.
Yeah, my mom was like cool with it.
You didn't get the joke. I said let me not say parents because you don't have both.
Oh.
Slow.
Oh. Wow. No,
Oh
yeah,
my God.
that one.
Guys, in my head, I think I'm funny.
Yeah.
I'm totally blinding.
But yeah, they could remotely not be
Like,
cool
yeah.
with it because you're just changing and but yeah.
No, I don't know. I think I've always had too much of a voice. Because I don't remember getting to a point where I feel, okay, you know, a teenager or switcher. I've always had a voice. So I don't think Baba Chinga Kona Ungana and I want to do media. I don't think anybody could have said anything. But I remember there was a time I was a bit conflicted because they used to feel like,
Yes.
you know, they knew I had the marks for it and I can talk. And unfortunately, you get it. I am too emotional for law. I'm too emotional. At kono argue. At kono mangasuzo no baba for 2 minutes. My emotions come back. So now those go read a court.
Yeah.
Do you understand what I'm saying? I wouldn't have survived law. So I feel like I'm glad they didn't. Although when I talk, you're law, and I end up played. I remember you played one.
But you could deal with contract laws, things that don't have to do with
but
emotions.
Do I want to deal with contract? Do I want to be in an office filing and do I want to do that? Can you imagine me quiet for 10 minutes?
Yeah, that would be.
I can't even stay quiet alone. I speak. Didn't know that. I listen to myself speak. And even when I say that, joke that they say that I say. So no, it's not that deep. Can I keep paying? Yeah, but
it's not a big deal.
Comfortable. I don't need people. But yeah, as I was saying, I'm really glad I need you. I remember my granddad is the one that told me, he could see that I don't want to do it.
Yeah.
He called me aside, he said to me, I'm like, no, I want to do media. And he's like, everybody here has their own life. Chances are they might even die before you do whatever you want to do. Go do what you want to do. And that gave me a push. And they pushed me so hard. I remember to go and see. They tried to put me everywhere. Like
for career.
I went to Choice FM. Like my parents, my grandparents, you know, they tried to squeeze me into everyone, all the connections I could have gotten. It's just that but then they really tried. So I feel like I wouldn't have survived Kengwe career. And I think you found your niche. At least you found your thing.
Yeah, I found myself through failing.
You're so obsessed with these things, dude.
Yeah, I know.
You need to take a break.
Yes, yeah, you're right. Because Londie London and
Londie London.
Tell me about it. I just heard snippets here and there from my friend.
So Londie over Oimeda McG, right? McG is not around, so how could shoot a Londina Saul Nanota? Oh, I love Nota.
Yeah.
The mental case here, I love him so much. Do you watch that other one? Nota.
Yeah,
Why Bona?
Yeah, the other one,
piano. You're not piano. You copy music pulses.
Oh yeah, because you're Taki. The girl.
Oh, it's no. Wait.
Yeah. Yes.
Hey, the girl.
Yeah.
Monaka. Sharp. No problem. So, and London away, man, I make sure no problem. They're having a conversation. She was drinking. Apparently, she loves punch in a problem. Have you drank it?
Yeah,
I haven't tried
I'm
it.
not. I drank it, but it's not my style.
Ne, it's sweet. It is not juice in
Yeah,
it. It's
So rachita punch rikadiva res. Rachi the shurama but the shurama juicy. While the Highland mean everything it's there. So yeah.
Nendo yana mixera na bathu lini. Iyo miyanga badongwata mami sorry. Yana mixera bathu lini ndo hosta party to your udife.
It's like a dinner.
Da me mixera linda ita space mafindi.
Sure.
Ndichipedza ndaita it was a
What's
little
a bit of
dry.
dogode?
Brian to otambe. Brian wazidiva chila chitofu chila cherala cha oven mara katari kuti plate.
Yeah.
Horror oven opangwa zwi wings na mini. Ndapangana now I put weed in the marinade.
Yo.
I gonna
Dangerous.
Hey guys, it was final year kana. Rakupfunga ropa saso ropedza.
Yeah.
We did all that. I'm telling you, there were 4 girls who started their period rodzula because of that thing.
Yo.
Because of lean and weed. Mm-hmm.
Hey.
No, at least somewhat. And me, I'm hosting. I want people to say my party was lit tomorrow in class. Oh, Dara. Like, it was so full. I had to fight with my landlord the following day. But that got for no hoster. And I did my thing. So we did a punch, we did lean and whatever. Okay, guys, Dina ADHD. Let's go back.
Yeah. I remember London.
Yeah. So they were shooting. She was getting drunk. And those one and kutumokangwa man. Do you want a graphic or gonya? The way you would speak, you know, the eyes, you can tell.
And they'll keep on telling you, I'm not drunk.
Yes. And then Abu Disiwa, what caught your attention this week? I don't know. There was a video of a girl kissing some Indian guy, Pulun. I think there was a video, maybe she was in Dubai or whatever. Yeah. No problem. She now responds, and then Solar, and then she's like, like he meant slay queen, your baddies, your Instagram baddies, like your BBLs, your lipos, your expensive lifestyles. And then Ambodiri, no, what makes you think Urunga, do I look like I have a horse face? Do I have horse teeth?
Why? Wait, from 0 to 100?
Zviva zvikwambori una problem but vana beef ngori nendingasiri zvino ukwambiwa ngamwe muthu ndatomoskoreri nendobipa so why because also namusiri na beef ndingaifara kana ndisoba ndotowamba later enaiwa makavala muthu you know I would ask you after. It became a whole fight. Dino was not pleased at all. Dino texted her boyfriend alone. What did she say? She's like, please tell your girlfriend to stop talking about me. Which one? And she posted that. Guys, men will embarrass you. I don't know why you guys still talk to me.
And I heard they stay in the same complex. Some sort.
You see?
And then she was like, I can call him to come now. It will take 5 minutes.
It will take 5 minutes.
Yo.
I would get so mad.
But I think you ladies, you call that onto yourself. Like sometimes you just.
But I think the beef was beef was vanotanga Diamond Walker because na complex Dino's house is gorgeous. These are rich girl energies. These are rich girls fighting.
So
did you see the video?
I didn't.
She did a 48.
This was just an update from a friend.
She did a 48-minute video. YouTube. Peds.
Yeah.
I have a degree. That's she has 2. She has graduated twice. You can't tell me nothing. That's something you don't have. Yeah. I apologize, Alondi Maranaye. It didn't sound sincere also. But
you apologize.
There's no apology that would land. You can't, like, as a woman, you can't come to me in appearance.
Yeah.
Which I'm glad. So I'm doing well. I'll keep it up in a skincare routine. But
skin routine.
Yo,
and then Kingsley.
What happened?
So atiri Kingsley obakwamba nga Anthony na racha Renati Roshuta uri apezwa su ambo nga December and now it's only coming out now and then so I was like hey
so racha ori mini amba racha kana amba Kingsley
you know obviously Kingsley will do that laugh
Ahead.
We are told Bonyamato saying there's something coming. There's something coming. And then now when Rachaki like comment, now it's like the Racha. So I think as the content creator. I mean,
what did Randy say?
I think when I won, then the other one Susie and then so this is like I could respond to this like a content creator or whatever. And then people started coming for Kingsley as well. I think he should have been part of the prep, but we'll talk about it. What Kingsley or Femini Unamini short tempered like they talked about it.
Oh no, we are podcast.
Una anger issues. Is it anger issues or short temper or whatever? They spoke about something. Ngahai and yeah, nothing went right.
And the Zonzo Kingsley low self-esteem.
That's what people were saying and stuff like that.
I need it to be defined. Unfortunately, I want somebody to define low self-esteem.
Yeah, I think
where
some people just was so some if you then.
Love you movie if you say less. Because what do you mean low self-esteem? Do you know what it means? I don't think you know what it means. But anyway, in those people honest last tomorrow, I didn't get the actual life or something.
Yeah.
And also end up fakati no mudzima or something. Something about that. And I'm like, Racha Oivanga, I would not worry about you. If there's one person I take, the thing is, I don't want to fight with the Lady Gaga guys. At the rights, I'm fine.
That's what I Kingsley obvious in Doreva, and I'm Sisagodi.
Yeah, Randy, I take you, Tom. Ati Todi.
Yeah.
I watch her lives and I know I say me one more she can't I'm like yo and there's not spare I will have to say much too I like go to Roma 5 days and go to same so I don't want that guys I don't want that I really don't want it but overall
finishing the story of Londie
yeah so I'm saying now you are this now to be Londie also said that he's trending which was very I don't know man.
I think Oboko said it was the beef zine zindikaledzi hone.
Video. Yeah, the late watch giving. Oboko mupa GYAD ka video. So what do you mean I'm trending abantu? Like who bet there and then she was like akumpa GYAD as a gift. The guy who be at the shootout at temple. That's him. I don't I think. So Oroba, don't treat
they'll come for you.
What is the winner guys? If you know the name, please comment.
Yeah.
You guys will help us out. But like they went on each other. Guys, when girls fight, it becomes messy. Eh?
Very.
But
don't do DNA. Just go to
the
friends of your wife and say. Insult them hard. They'll tell you everything.
And I've been go through the phone. Even go to the pizza. Guys, best friend.
That's where you find everything.
There's gonna put you barrier there. Yo, what would you do if you open your girl's phone now and I go sorry oh my god.
Well, I'm too good at keeping quiet in a lot of things. I'm like,
do you go
digest and do
you go through a woman's phone?
I think I used to.
When? How soon?
A long time ago.
Before you?
Don't know matter. So
before me,
yeah. Or you know what? Let's just. Niches all that. This one is not only vice versa because I'm too conversing to my and then start thinking, no, maybe it's this. Can't it's even. 360
and you know what my problem is
180 opposite.
There's no way you go through a phone you won't find something that will make you mad. It's probably not even going to be cheating, but it's going to be something and actually pick a notification or something.
We are growing up so
flow app. It can be anything, bro. It can literally be anything.
Pregnancy test
group
Kana no one notification ya chere no go jeneng of morning A and then you conclude.
Good morning Andile.
morning ayanda
Vibes. Andani.
something.
But also, I wanted to say, nendo zvita kare ruti. Tingaduswa ndichiroverera. Ndanyagoma mbirwe. Rurumbu rothe ndafa.
Esophagus.
And I knew I was dangerous because I didn't even confront him then. I did it when he was in the shower.
Hey?
Naye he was kind of dumb because why would you put it on archived? That's the first place I go.
Hidden.
Breakfast, but it's fine. It's chilled. I remember holding back my tears like this. And then when he came back, which was still I am panda. But that's when I knew women are dangerous. Because I did that. Okay, ndasimukonfronte. Adzulu swina chituwa. Maybe ndikandozvona Saturday kutuwa Sunday or something. Machero oni habi. Imanochinyeronga dhuva the weekend you're out. I said life went on, and then I started slowly falling out of love. You know, because now the lies and
signing
all
out.
By the time did you go to your
it was not painful.
Do you know how hard it is when a woman has fallen out of love with you? You guys don't get it. Because I don't know what to do with you. Like, I change out there. I don't know what I saw in you. Your cologne smells like shit. Everything is horrible. Like, everything that attracted me to you is out. Because that's what lust does. Like, feelings zita. And I bet you guys are not good looking. Don't worry, the feelings.
We are not.
No. Compared to women, you're not like it's just that a certain person.
I think character more than looks.
Yes.
With us, it's looks first.
Why?
Then I think that's what makes us get attracted.
Would you be with a dumb pretty girl?
No.
So no.
So okay. Conversation any bore. Okay. And then they're like
wings.
They're thinking Sabawell wings, you know, they want 10-inch.
How do you know if a girl is dumb? What makes you categorize a woman who you is not?
The conversation like currently is ngamando urida mutu. Ndichikwamba na mutu ndazoro okay. Back then I would know okay. Arandu kwamba na mutu ndichi achimpindura. Ndazori I know man. Informed ngazini kwamba ngahazo. Then the chincha topic. Na this was right man. Omuntu mapindulira we. Asiya mtu anikamsi wakono uphambudziso I digester akonopindura. So ndakubudisa ngazvo because I wanted to know because akwamba ngamadlanga uri rivari kokariwa nga that side of politics now because I personally I'm very uninterested in politics. I can be interested in okay mara ndiyayibona ndikuzvipa I do asizwe mpofu Walsh because I want a summary. I'm not interested in sitting down for 3 hours and Nadzibugo, I don't read informative books. I read like your you know. No, but we talk about anything, even your work, whatever. But una conversation okay. Richikwamba conversation at the end of the day, rogudami ni bukati ya shukana ndi minichine rarko zamu they understand as name mfumakazi wangaita zo name shumoni ati interested nazo. You know,
mafungo mshimweni afuna beiwe
ridiva bashumi bote hoyu na mafungo mapio hoyu tami
ni afuna mafungo
the pillow talk
but because that's what I was thinking because unabadzana vane borotanya there are women that are very smart women that are informative about but they will at last because there's basic things you know you're just smart you know unabatu vane achibona chitu they want to know more and I'm not that person so I know mutu ane diva uri who's the president of what I'm not interested and that's being smart because no memorizer ezo stu zote you know diva tola vatu vane vangasi lose 30 seconds because you know everything and there are women that are generally just smart havana vatu vane they are not smart they're just hard workers so they know what they were taught they don't go above and beyond.
Definitely. So that's why we want to trend here by theory. Wudzisani mtu wanonga uri mini nife uri pindu. Or kanenga inflation or something. I think or oil price. On roya Iran na America iko affect zani oil price and here's something.
Yeah.
So those are the things.
Those are the things.
Stop bakari interested economics na come in but ari na conversation ne yatakaza. Iza kataluru kwamba ngaso za uri ndi too smart ina.
Sure.
My wife now knows programming development because it's not kwamba ngazo ndo eda feature hivi na yeye send mchumoneri does your app does this,
does your app do the yeah
and then I'm like yo that feature I need it like I implement because now I understand okay this is how these things nane I'm chibuya ngamchumoneri okay mchumoni wawe white was sona yeah okay actually that's a good idea. Maybe ninga suggest a kaboso or something like you see. So ari kono interchange information no kono amba conversation etakaze rusongotro vano suri dwana nduri saba well
never content creator kakati ndrimashikani bangana ari na wini atukala bako yakapwa ring light
ani have updated
yanga mtu wa ring light aba yanga mtu ovo ibagore hi guys get ready with me yeah so but then also I think jibakori udivamini as long as you can hold a conversation you can talk about you don't want a person I know zura na mubuzoro this is what my mom says we're disagreeing on this na do ipapinduro yonore
dzingopinduro dzava dismissive very fast converting about it
watomia umbura aumbuleli uri amba ezvikaini you're going to fight with your mom or it's going to affect you like this. There's also stuff like that. There's just emotional intelligence.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that actually you don't need someone who's smart. You need someone who's emotionally intelligent.
Sure.
Yeah.
Who thinks before they speak.
Yes.
Do I do that?
You do. If the moment you start taking pause,
yes.
You're saying okay, actually ndiyati humrangori my friend angabvisa angaba damaging angaba constructive angaba yes.
People are going to think we're being contradictory here because we say a lot of nonsense podcast
but it's media guys like some things unazoina into story hey aranko doguda zimwe zwethu unazi podcast za economics za bathu borenga zindu of this podcast for everything. This is entertainment and you must learn and understand that entertainment idodana so zinezwa zimwe asizwabukuma zikulijurufi at least content bego push ya bathu bako takara bathu bako say and you don't have to take it too hard.
Why does go build that instead of saying content you eat and ni azvipa radar 2000 followers don't lie.
Ndiabona izi monkey rasta monkey.
No.
This rasta monkey that trends. Father tell me
yeah
so yanga machoroni and msikofi how many beers do you drink a day? I drink 3 beers a day. Okay, I calculated. Okay, per week, nishim sub guy at $5 per beer, so $15 a day, or approximately $20. Then try multiplying and weights, you would have built a house or bought due to this. Do you drink? I don't know. Or do you have a house? That's much. So yeah,
true guys.
So some of the things like someone could learn something. Someone could be going through same situation that we are discussing. Those are the things that some people will learn. Okay, you don't have to do this. A project file and record a studio. Don't.
For me, it's not even about learning. Podcasting, I was doing it for entertainment. Now, if you go, I've got Make on my downloads. They say a lot of nonsense, but I can assure you, it took me through lockdown so much. Like Yom Pusha, there was a point where I was nazoita.
Yeah.
And I listened to it, and it pushed me. It was just funny. Didn't learn nothing. I don't want to lie.
Yeah.
How should the be serious? Also, when he brings serious people, I don't even watch because that's not what I want to consume. I don't care what's
people
happening in Iran.
Consume,
Unfortunately.
That's why the idea cheat. People will try to change the idea and the trend. So
true.
That's how people do it because wako to the following
guys currently we're trying to eat guys.
So we didn't even say that we're coming to you live from Panda Studios.
Who are we?
This episode is proudly brought to you by MR21 True Respect. So yeah.
Vasina funeral what?
Abayo join a funeral policy.
Vasina funeral policy. Ariko da mapungo.
Ariko da mapungo. Ertomeri farem bamuta orkomera basare. Wamtava songosara vatu vasho.
And guys, so does mara rufuni zvikwini munyanyani.
Rikumbera vamtava sari.
Yeah, munyanyani wini. Ndikwini rufuni mara guys. Also like lugizendira zabe we all know rukolova, hey. That's the thing. And vatu vazvidoja, vazviavoida.
Yeah, vazvidoja.
Unfortunately, auno doja. Rukolova rote up. Hauna mchana dosara. Hauna last man standing hapa ndishangoni. So it's best vanondilugisa zvithu zvanu uitira vatu vanokosara vasongwa na stress. Ngasi va stress nione namzonotuwa, hey. Please.
Uva stressawo ni namzonotuwa.
Uye munna nione nanikomera data. Nechituwari nayo ndivurunga.
Rikuto ni send.
Ndifumulo sadofindi yako ene kadotamba recording 2 seconds ai I know wiki bad I know no wiki bad ya magini ngumene achidina
recording
nendo gumene ana
neti mtodzika uti dopinde neti kodo destroy Venda neti mtopata
ako destroy achituri kuto relaxa
neti mtopata Venda
totama ngo utombula na the late hada ku recoverera yone indru richitopedzwa idropa lada chada chone inamela chada vacho inamela fast man rest in peace man chada cho igonya
very fast aikotenda utamba tonga iko
iPad engapha ikwana ismayo iPad is nice ndipyo
the M4 Pro the latest M4 Pro
ndatoringisa zvabdi ndiyairengi
ngadiri onododa next mutengo ndini
guys muibona
onokodokalisa
next ndipwe
I don't need 38 I think yeah.
That's the price of my laptop, bro.
Rawana taru ndigoro.
That's the price of my MacBook. This screenshot is just to see why you're freezing.
Ndito ndi
Hey, why is the episode in a face mini?
No, iPad debe kushimisa ngwana so
ndo wano delete kanya. Ndo wano delete content ya the client. Yeah.
So waitachi bona
guys riko toitamba ravara ti.
I don't think ritoitamba. I go 1 hour.
Love you guys down.
Recently added. I go on narration.
What do you mean? Kaya yonduko ibona maginya.
40 years. And you guys, you just say whatever you say. Mizo and think Mizo Hanavatu, they are they do anything to defend his name.
Yeah. I don't know that. So I don't know if I should take that as a threat to me.
If I let to go Amber Uri as a person, I would react Danyaga either anything.
I think Ritamba enough.
But what does it mean, Goro Unavatu?
Like that's
guys,
you had my question.
Stop threatening content creators.
You had my question, right? Like, and by that time. And you're calling me to then ventilate this. I'm like, you know what? And I kept on, from the get-go, I was like, you don't have to call me. You don't have to talk to me. I deal with technical side. Technical, we don't do anything that is front-facing or PR or whatever. There are people who are dealing with that. They write the script. They talk about whatever they want to talk about. You don't go to Mashabela and say, Meg G said this. No, that's not Mashabela's problems. So, yeah, that's why I was asking, is that a threat to me? Should I take that as a threat?
My problem now is I remember seeing the video at the GYAD Akwamburi threatening you.
And
so if we stop doing content, are you going to stop rapping? Are you guys going to stop
music?
Are you going to stop music? Are you guys going to stop hosting? Now I'm about the host, it is when the club host kind of meaning whatever you're doing. Are you going to stop it? Gori rote ruko zamola. Like I don't get it. And the arungo semana auna matamba it's maratanga na nanga story kudulo. Yo taga imerere yo hey ele duro linga kale kudulo for me bro. It's not even a small change. Taga udo derela. But no, the threats, my guy, the threats. Ndi bamre dane, ndi baja, ndi guys.
I'm like, yo,
Aninga sengina, because if anything happens, you have a recording. Do you understand what you're doing now?
Do you understand, Ruri? No. I can go out here and then walking on the street, something happens.
Why are they trying to now?
Everyone is going to be like, okay, we know. Because obviously my family knows that I've been contacted and
if you mean in a group, we have a big, you know, what you pack. If you mean that one, I feel like it was Jesus, you know, would you be if they what Mizo really? Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
What I'm glad Nizori after chipinganyana odova for namrao, then we talked, then we like threw it under the bus.
Madam, my
like,
problem is the same energy that was put into getting your number. It could have gotten Kingsley's number, or even mine, or even Racha's, because I'm sure unazo za Racha.
Yeah.
Why? What you do? Wakabo mashabel. That's my problem.
Mashabela bavale pipe. Alright.
Oh, so any
studio changa chara
so any have this chara day in the badera eno ko replace anganyinga ye.
I don't know. Like
you're just going to have an open, so now you must go look for another client.
So we can then even at the principles so that I don't record people who want to talk about whatever they want to talk about. So ndamuzori like arali ngori ne creste adam tono kono harwagana no ko do.
Honey, we've had porn stars here.
Like
come on. Yeah, this culture scene, come on. We've had podcast.
So
we've had gospel singers too, bro.
But I just we am around those who are okay. No, obi am around over.
Yeah.
You know the right, and then Radko Diamanazori we gonna sponsor some of his events. Araliako hosts gastronomy and stuff. Then we can come and do video production there. Of which it's what I've been doing to Baba Venda to support. So now to receive a threat. We are trying to build a platform. This platform. You are seeing it as a threat to you now, but it has been pushing your name all along. Bakwambanga the album, and the album already criticize you. Is okay. Next time, you understand? So yeah.
It's constructive criticism. How will
you?
I
think Ronambes.
Parktown again.
Parktown is like
How far is it? How far is it?
10 minutes from here.
10. The one
it's towards going Senton and Rosebank and yeah.
Una visit?
Yes, in Nokendo, there's EOH.
Oh, okay.
Diabazana. Gate and Reef Education Campus.
No, and I send the location.
Yeah. So, Aratu Livarabe.
Live here.
Yo,
sorry. Bye guys. No. Bye. No. I love you. Bye guys.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching. Please keep watching. Never support it. We appreciate it.
Don't forget to subscribe.
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 Bye.
Bye.